Chart number 16. Moon is in the Taurus. DT means dragon tail, means Ketu. Mars in Cancer. And Jupiter in Libra. And Venus in Capricorn. Before Venus, there are Saturn and Rahu in Sagittarius, Saturn having higher degree. Surinder ji, namaskar.
Namaste, sir.
And Sun and Mercury, Sun having higher degree.
सर चार्ट नंबर 10 तक हो गया है या शुरू ही
No. We have started from chart number 16 because the previous first few charts are very tough. We shall start from the easy charts, right? After that,
Venus दिख रहा है.
Venus भी हाँ, yes.
मेरे को चार्ट नंबर 10 दिख रहा था यार. वो सब ऊपर क्या वो फॉलोइंग वो आ रहा है ना, तो उसके कारण पूरा नहीं दिख रहा था. मुझे लगा चार्ट नंबर 10.
अच्छा. What is he saying? What is saying that he saw chart number 10 is not completely able to see. So this is the chart, right? Everybody of us in front of our eyes.
Sir, what is the meaning of EN?
EN or Venus, V is missed by typing. Madam, try to understand here. You are so adult. You know everything. You predict everything. Why I am suffering from cold and cough, you have predicted. I don't know. Still. Okay, welcome. I'm joking. I can joke with you. Now, chart number 16, right? Rakesh ji, please read. Everybody has to read round shape it, right? One and one chart. What is the rule? Rule of learning. One person will read and predict. Rakesh ji's first turn. He will read and predict each and every point. If you have any other point, you can also add, right? And if anything have to be added, I shall add them, right? It is the way to learn. And you have to listen the recording, and after listening, you have to write the prediction in your exercise. Yes,
Sir,
Rakesh,
can you show the chart while he's reading? Can you show the chart?
Do not have book, madam?
No, I have the book, but you drew the chart in the North Indian format.
Madam,
So it's
please,
easier to.
I have already told in the. Oh, okay, you joined late.
Okay, I got it.
Just write the chart in pencil. I am sharing. Don't worry.
Sorry, I don't have the book. I didn't arrive yet, Japan.
Madam, are you in Japan or in India now?
Japan. I ordered actually, but didn't reach yet.
Oh, so you download.
So if you can show the chart, sir, it will be easier for everyone.
Yes. I am showing, but you have to write the chart so that.
Yeah, I already wrote notebook, but I don't have like.
Yes, you download the PDF, madam. Okay.
Actually, which book could you tell me once again?
It is Bhrigunandinari R.G. Rao. It is Bhrigunandinari.
I have PDF. Yeah.
Yes. Download
chapter,
the PDF.
Chapter 16, right?
Chart number 16. Chart number 16.
Chart number 16 means page number 23.
23. Exactly.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It is the chart, right?
Yes, sir. No.
Malika madam, you have to write with the pencil, right? Within the chart, there is South Indian chart, the middle portion is blank. And on that middle portion, you write the North Indian style. So it will be easier for you. Okay. Every chart in your when you are free, make it in the North Indian style. Now, Rakesh ji, start please. Rakesh ji.
Sorry, I have a question. But not to return this chart or notebook, not to return Rahu Ketu.
Yes, sir.
Rahu Ketu, Dragul 10, DT. DT is Ketu. and DH is Rahu.
Oh, okay.
Dragon's
Thank you.
head DH, that is Rahu, and
Okay.
dragon tail is Ketu.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. And have you understood the degree?
No, there's no return.
Degree is not written. I have told
Yes.
degree is not
Yes.
written, but who is nearer to the next house, that having the greater degree. Suppose in chart number 16, Saturn and Rahu, they are both in the Sagittarius, right?
Yes.
Saturn is nearer to Capricorn. Can you see it in the
Yes.
chart? So
Yes.
Saturn will have greater degree than Rahu. It is a trick. It is a very untold secret. Right? Suppose Mercury and Sun. Sun having greater degree than Mercury. Sun will move to Aries first. Then come Mercury. Sun is of greater degree. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Yoshi, clear or not clear? Please tell me.
Sorry, I couldn't understand much.
Madam, in the South Indian style, in the
Yes.
chart number 16, there is written Sun, Mercury in the Pisces side. Right?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes. Yes. I saw that now. Yeah.
So who is having greater degree, Sun or Mercury? In this chart, Sun having the greater degree because Sun is above Mercury and Sun is nearer to Aries. The next
Yes.
house is Aries, madam. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
So
Yes.
Sun
That's
will have greater degree. But suppose if there was any planet with Mars in the Cancer, right? But that
Yes.
planet written before Mars. Suppose Mercury, then Mars. Then Mars is the nearer planet to Leo. So Mars will
Yes.
have higher degrees. In this way, we have to see the degree. It is the untold truth of this book.
Okay. From the planet.
Hmm.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is the way of learning? One of you alternately will read a chart and decode. If you cannot, all the classmates all will support you, and I am also there. I shall also support you. But you have to decode by yourself, because if I help you in every decoding, then you will not learn at all. Okay, Rakesh, please start.
Yes, sir. Sir, please decode first chart for us, then we will do turn by turn.
Okay, first
Hello?
I am decoding. Okay. First chart I am decoding. What is written, you have to read in this way, right? In this chart, Saturn has Venus in the second house to his own position. Saturn having Venus in the second. Can you see? Saturn in Sagittarius and Venus in Capricorn. Why are you not answering yes or no? Please tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Saturn having Venus in the
Yes, sir.
second house, right?
Right.
The book should be in front of your eyes, always.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Saturn having Venus in the second house of his own position. Venus is placed in Saturn's position, right? So
Right.
Saturn having Venus in the second house, and Venus is in Saturn's position, Saturn's house. Indicate involvement in a financial concern. Whenever Venus is placed second to Saturn, then the native will earn from a financial institution or some commercial activities. It is a trick, it is a prediction. You have to remember this prediction and you have to write this prediction down so that you can predict in other charts, right?
Yes, sir.
Saturn contacts next the Sun and the Mercury in the fourth house. So when Saturn moves forward in its progression, Miss Yoshir is not, I think, able to understand the progression, because in her class progression is not discussed, but others all will understand. Miss Yoshir, what is progression? Progression is when we move a planet forward and keeps all other planets stand still. Then that calls progression. Progress means movement.
Yes.
So if a planet progresses and how the planet progresses and touch others, that is the way of result the native gets in his life, right? So
Yes.
in this chart, Saturn will move forward Saturn first Venus. And after touching Venus, Saturn will go and move Sun and Mercury in the fourth from Saturn. Fourth house from Saturn, that is in the Pisces sign, right? Sun and Mercury in the fourth house, indicating the native will have a government job in a financial concern. Now, how the prediction came? Anybody can tell me?
This
Yes,
will become
yes.
like Raja Yoga. Like I cannot say Raja Yoga.
No,
Like
Raja
some-
Yoga is not there in
sorry,
BNN.
yeah, not the
BNN,
Sun becomes
but
authority.
Sun, Mercury.
Yes.
Because Saturn crossed Venus and it took the Karya Tattva of Venus and it is meeting Sun. That's why he will get government job in finance.
The
Hello?
Venus,
Sir,
see, what is the technique of predicting government job? It is a very unique technique. Whenever Venus is connected with Sun, Venus is the money, the finance, and the finance is coming by influence of Sun, that is the government. So the native will get government job. In any government job, you will find Venus is connected with Sun. Clear or not clear? In this chart, Venus is getting aspect from Sun, right? Sun is placed third from the Venus. Ms. Yoshia, can you remember? Third aspect of every planet, third and 11th aspect. So
Yes,
in
yes,
this case,
BNN.
Venus having Sun in the third house. So Sun aspecting Venus. And Venus is also aspecting Sun. But Sun aspecting Venus. And the Saturn in the progression moving with, touching the Venus, that Venus getting aspect from Sun. Wait, madam. Please don't talk within. What was it? When the Saturn was moving forward and going to touch Venus, that Venus got aspect of Sun. So the money will be from the government or money will be of father.
So that's why
In
good
this
result,
case,
right?
in this case, it is government,
Yes.
but maybe the native will be involved in the father's profession. How can we understand that the Venus is getting aspected or conjunct with Sun?
Yes.
The
Yes,
native
yes.
may be in the authoritative post, earning through some authoritative post. How could that happen if the Venus is conjunct with Sun? Clear? In any
Yes.
chart, when Venus is conjunct with Sun, then the native will earn from government either or through father's profession or through some administrative post in large company, in a great company, because Sun is the king.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
In any chart of your
Mhm.
known persons, if
Yes.
you try to match it, you will find it is matching 100%. You have to match
Okay.
the same rule. What are you learning? You have to match with other charts. Then you can able to understand. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, yes.
Sankalita madam, please tell me what happens.
Sir, Sun is in the 12th house and Venus is in the 10th house. So how?
House is not seen in BNN.
No, sir. Matlab, for understanding, Sun is near to Aries. That is, Sun is in Pisces.
Mhm.
And Venus is in Capricorn.
Mhm.
So Sun how connect with Venus with third aspect? Because it's the 12 and it's a 10 backing to Venus.
Whenever you are studying BNN, you have to understand the basic rules of BNN. If you have forgotten, go to the basic class. Basic recording here times and again. In BNN, 3 and 11 and 7 aspects are taken for every planet. From Sun to Venus, it is the third aspect. From Venus to Sun, it is the 11th aspect. Third aspect and 11th aspect. So it is the basic rule of BNN. How are you questioning in that way?
सर मैं मेरे लैंग्वेज से बोलती हूँ सर क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश में मुझे उतना आता नहीं है तो
That is
मैं
simple. From Venus to Sun is in the third house. So
हाँ,
Venus,
Venus
Sun
से
is
ठीक
getting
है।
aspect from Venus and Venus is getting aspect from Sun. 311 aspect. What is the second point within this?
Venus से ठीक है लेकिन सन से तो उल्टा आ रहा है सर।
If two planets are there and one aspecting other with third aspect, the second one aspecting with the 11th aspect. Aspects are there now. Why are you making complicated everything? Don't ask any silly question, please. It is a very, very large course. You cannot understand how big the course is. You try to solve these simple things with you. If a planet is aspecting with the third, the second will aspect with the 11th. Simple. The moon is exaltation with Ketu. Moon is in the Taurus, Ketu in front. Shows the native have foreign travel on 3 occasions. See, what is the depth of the prediction? In this class, if you do not understand the aspect, then how can I make you clear about each and everything? A person having exalted moon, moon means what? Travel, transfer. And a person having exalted moons means the person will have more travel, more transfer, more changes. Are you clear? And Ketu is number 3. We know that Ketu 3. Moon and Ketu conjunct. The moon is the karaka of the travel transfer. It is exalted condition. And Ketu is placed second to moon. So Ketu and moon are conjunct. Ketu is 3. So at least the native will have 3 foreign travels. Clear or not? Suppose
Clear.
moon is debilitated. Suppose in a chart, moon is debilitated and moon and Ketu or Rahu connected. The native will have difficulty while traveling. Because the Karaka planet of traveling, the moon is in a debilitated condition. And in this chart, moon is exalted condition having Ketu in the second. So the native will have 3 foreign travels. At least 3, maybe more. Clear? 2 of which will be fruitful. See the depth of the prediction. Out of the 3 foreign travels, 2 will be fruitful. 1 will not be fruitful. Why? 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 We are now in Mount Everest, and Sankalita is asking question
Sir,
of a tomb.
Sir, due to aspect of Mars.
दोनों में ही थर्ड एस्पेक्ट बोले. अगर आप पहले ही बोल देते हैं कि
अरे 311 aspect इतना बार I am telling 311 in several times. Yes, please. Yes.
Sir, due to aspect of Mars, maybe one time it will prevent. Why only 2 will be successful?
Yes, tell me. Tell
Because
me, Harshal ji.
Ketu is second.
Ketu is second in everywhere.
Yes.
Ketu is second in everywhere.
Ketu is 3 times, but why 2 will be successful and 1 not? Maybe Mars plays the role?
No.
Okay.
No, not that. In this case, you have to decode the timing of the foreign travel.
सर मार्करी डेबिलिटेड इसलिए नहीं होगा.
No. You have to decode the timing of the foreign travel. You will see 2 times it will be easier, but that 1 time, 1 transit will be obstructing. And it is your homework. Those who have already know the foreign travel chapter in BNN, what are the rule of foreign travel? Moon Ketu, Moon Rahu, that is the basic promise. And whenever transit Rahu moves over Saturn or Jupiter, transit Saturn moves over Rahu, right? These are the time when the natives goes abroad. We know that. In this chart, when you place the transit over this chart, how to place the transit? Because easy, written. It is written in the chart. Saturn will move over Moon at what age? Anyone? It is too early morning for Mallika madam, and actually it is difficult for her
सर इसमें प्रोग्रेशन का निकालेंगे या
no progression. This book is 95% of transit, only 5% progression. Madam, Sankalita madam, what is the first time that the Saturn will transit over Moon?
फर्स्ट टाइम तो 12.5 साल में आएगा.
Yes.
12.5 से 15.
Yes. Simple. After the birth of the native, what will be the transit of the Saturn? Saturn will be in the Sagittarius 0 age. Saturn will be on the Aquarius at the age of 7.5, right? Each sign Saturn stays for 2.5 years. We know that. So approximately the first 5 years, Saturn will be over the Venus, up to 5 years. Approximately, might be more than that, but Where the degree is not written, we shall take that point. Yoshi madam, are you clear about it? Listen, we listen very carefully. Saturn stays in a sign for 2.5 years, right? So after the birth of the native, first 2.5 years, Saturn will be in the Sagittarius. Next 2.5 years, that is up to the 5th year of the native, Saturn will be over the Capricorn. Up to 7.5 years of the native, Saturn will be over Aquarius. Up to 10 years age of the native, Saturn will be over Pisces. After 12.5 years of the native, Saturn will be over Aries. And from 12.5 to 15, Saturn will be over Moon. Right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So Saturn will be over Moon at the age of 15. Saturn will be 7 from the Moon at the age of, please tell me.
17.5. 17.5.
I think everybody is not understanding.
Sir, 17.5.
Yes,
17.5.
yes. Yoshi madam, do you understanding or not? I have to tell you it again. I am ready, but please ask me. Other you will miss it and you will not get interest afterwards. What is the blackboard? Whiteboard. Lots of jhamelas of whiteboard in this. Yes. See, when Saturn is over, I am telling the general rule. Here Saturn remains 2.5 years, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the age of 15th year, Saturn will be over the Moon. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At the age of 27.5, Saturn will be 7 from the Moon. Right? Right or not? Right.
Sir,
Now,
please repeat what you said in the last.
this is the age of the native, 2.5.
Yes.
This is the age of the native. Up to 5. Saturn's position. Where is Saturn? Right?
Yes,
It
sir.
is up to 7.5. It is up to 10. It is up to 12.5. It is up to 15. Right? Clear, Rakeshji?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir,
when
yes.
Saturn up to 15 over the Moon, now Saturn will be 17.5. Now the Saturn will be 20. Here, up to 20.
Yeah.
Saturn will be up to 22.5 here. Saturn will
Yes,
be
sir.
up to 25 here. Saturn will be 27.5 here. And Saturn will be up to age of 30 here. Right? Saturn will complete its first round, previous house, when the Saturn is placed in the birth chart. Clear?
Yes.
So at the age
Yes,
of
sir.
30 or 27, after 27, Saturn will get aspect from the Moon. Right? Or Moon will get aspect from the natal, from the transit Saturn. Here is the transit Saturn at the age of 30.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. At the age of 30, the native, a person goes to foreign country, not in the childhood age, but in a mature age. Right? So the person may go to foreign country when transit Saturn over Moon at the age of 30. He might go to foreign country when transit Saturn over Moon up to 25. Can you clear? Are you clear? He might go to foreign country when transit Saturn over 7th trine from the Moon at the age of 35. Are you clear?
Yes.
Now, within
Yes,
these years, when foreign travel stops, when a person cannot move to any other country, when transit Ketu comes over Jupiter, it makes the native immobile. Right? So in these years, you will find a year, I have told you everything now, that when transit Ketu will be over natal Jupiter. And that is the year when the native will go, but will be not a fruitful one. Are you clear? Whenever transit Saturn comes over the Yoga Karaka, that is the planet who are giver of the foreign travel, in this case Moon Ketu. Whenever transit Saturn comes over Moon Ketu, the native will go to foreign country. or whenever transit Rahu comes over Saturn, then also the native may go to foreign country, right? It is the natural yoga and the timing. We have read it in the foreign travel part. Though Harshalji, I think, have not completed, but
yes.
Miss Eoshia has not completed. They are new, but rest of all others, we know that it is the time when the person go to foreign country in BNN. Clear? So when the person will go to the foreign country, you have to mark that what are the years that the person may go to a foreign country. And within those 3, 4, 5, 7 specific years, you will find a year when transit Ketu will be over natal Jupiter. So the prediction came in that way. Understand? Understand?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very interesting or not interesting?
Excuse me,
Yes.
I have a question. So
Yes.
when stopping traveling mean Jupiter touching Ketu?
Transit Ketu over Jupiter, or might be transit Jupiter over Ketu.
On the moon.
On the transit.
To where touching?
Transit Ketu over the natal Jupiter, or transit Jupiter over
Okay.
the
Ketu touching Jupiter, transit.
transit Ketu
Oh,
touching natal
okay.
Jupiter, or transit
Yeah.
Jupiter touching natal Ketu. That may
Yes,
also happen,
Okay. Thank you.
right? So in this way, actually, it is our learning that when a person should not go to foreign country.
Oh.
Suppose yogas are there, but if the person goes when transit Ketu and Jupiter are connecting, then the result will not come. He will have a unfruitful journey. Clear?
So I have a question. Even short journey also? Not long, like just 1 week.
Tell me once again, please.
Even short travel?
Short
For
travel is
example-
also like that. But Ketu is a short travel Karaka. Actually, we shall go to foreign travel chapter in BNN. Ketu is a short travel Karaka. Rahu is a long travel Karaka. But if exalted moon is placed with Ketu, the native will go to foreign country.
For example, some people have a job, they're like just few days traveling, but some people, have to go long time,
There is a Saturn moon conjunction, transferable job, movement job.
Okay.
That's a different conjunction. Wait. So you have to, what is your homework? Have to identify the age. At which age that will happen. Right? What is the way to learn? Write down the ages when transit Saturn comes over moon. Write down the ages when transit Rahu comes over the moon. That is also the time to go to the foreign country. And within those times, you will find a time when transit Ketu connecting with natal Jupiter, or transit Jupiter connecting with natal Ketu. The native will be deeply interested for the love of divine. Why? Jupiter, Ketu and moon. Moon is mind, Ketu is divinity. Right? Also Jupiter Ketu conjunct. Right? Also Ketu is aspecting Saturn, right? Kya hua, Rakesh ji? Rakesh ji, what happened? He is thinking only. What is happened? Rakesh ji?
Sir, his connection is low.
Yes, his connection is slow, I think.
Hello. Are you getting my voice? Hello.
Yes.
Sir ji, I am thinking, आपके चरण कहाँ है? चरण पकड़ लो आपके.
What Rakesh ji said, I don't want to translate it, but he praised me very well, right? Don't ask to translate.
No. I am asking, where are your feet? I want to touch your feet.
बहुत डीप ज्ञान है सर ये, यानी इतने समय से बीएनएन पढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक ये समझ में नहीं आया कि फ्रूटफुल क्यों नहीं होगा.
हाँ जी सुंदर जी.
जी सर जी.
मतलब सर इतने समय से बीएनएन पढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी तक ये समझ में नहीं आया कि जर्नी फ्रूटफुल क्यों नहीं होगी. वो
Yes.
तो होगी.
Actually, what Sundar ji is saying that we are learning BNN for so long time, but why the journey will not be fruitful? It is a point, right? I have a video on YouTube based on this point only. When you should not go to for traveling. कब हमको घूमना नहीं चाहिए? When we should not go for the traveling in this way. Such might be right now. The native, he may have a large family of 9 children. What is the technique of seeing the children? Number of children. The many planets that Jupiter and Saturn are connected, they are usually the number of the children. You will find in many Nadi books, suppose Jupiter and Saturn connected with 5 planets, then the native will have 5 children. Jupiter is the Atma Karaka, Saturn is the Karma Karaka. But in this, in our age, that do not happen for that reason. He will live up to a good age of 80 to 83 and perform pilgrimages. Why the native will go to pilgrimages, Malika madam?
Sir, because
Jupiter and
moon
Ketu
is
are
connected.
conjunct.
Yes.
Jupiter
Tell me,
Ketu, sir.
tell me one point, another point.
Moon
सर
Ketu.
केतु गुरु का कनेक्शन के
moon
कारण
Jupiter, Moon, Ketu.
Jupiter Moon.
Jupiter, Moon, Ketu is the pilgrimage yoga. Jupiter is the native, Moon, Ketu is the pilgrimage. Right? And now if I ask when the native will go to pilgrimage, Mr. Ong, what will be the answer? Mr. Ong, please. No, anyone. When the native will go to pilgrimage?
Transit Ketu.
Yes, transit Ketu
Transit Ketu on the Jupiter.
over Jupiter. Transit Ketu over Moon. Right? Transit Ketu over Moon, transit Ketu over Jupiter, and also transit Saturn over Ketu. Because whenever Saturn comes over Ketu, native loses interest in the worldly matters. Right? Yoshie madam has recently visited Mangalnath temple. She forwarded me the excellent video of the puja.
Where is the temple?
No,
It is in the Ujjain, and it is a very good Mars remedy, excellent Mars remedy.
Sir, please send me the video.
Yes.
I will send you. I will
Yes.
send you.
Okay,
Madam,
please,
please,
sure.
Madam,
Yeah,
please
yeah,
send.
I'm so helpful.
Yeah.
Yes, please send. Okay, that's chat number 17. Now,